Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to colorize any black and white video with AI. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, you need to visit this website, colorize.cc, and after you have visited this website, you can upload your black and white video here. I'm just going to click on upload a video and I'm going to add this video. Okay, for example, I'm going to colorize my black and white video. Okay, and it's loading guys. Okay, and then we can click on process. Okay, and here we need to wait until 100%. It's still processing, please come back later. And I'm just going to pause my video and I'll be right back if the process has completed. Okay guys, and now the process has completed and I'm going to download the video and I'm going to check the result. Okay, this is the final result. Okay, and that's all the way to colorize any black and white video with AI. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye!